The WIT Girls program is for our middle and high school age girls, and it is all about showing them the art of the possible in STEAM, science, technology, engineering, the arts, and math.
I believe that the WIT Girls program is important because it introduces women of all backgrounds and ages. I've seen girls here that are in 6th grade, which is really cool. I'm a sophomore in high school, to programs that they would have never gotten to experience unless they went into that career field.
Today's event is especially important because it exposes them to technology that they may or may not have had access to, or they may or may not have known was a career path for them. And there are so many ways that help girls and women who have that arts and technical balance be able to blend those skills together and really be valuable in their careers and outside of their careers.
It's incredibly important to invest in the WIT Girls program because this is our future generation of women in STEAM. So events like today, where they are putting on virtual reality headsets and building art environments of space and oceans and islands and monsters and creatures, this just shows them all of the possibilities that they could then go into a future career one day.
It looks good on applications. I'm entering my junior year of high school, so I'm applying to a lot more internships, and to say that I've had some experiences in the technology fields that I want to go in as an adult, that WIT gives me is really cool. So just saying that I've been here and that I've tried it and that it's all really inclusive has supported me over the past couple years.
For them to be able to be exposed to this at such a young age will just give them such a head start. I'm really excited to be able to bring virtual reality to WIT Girls.